My name is Rick Layton, and in this session I'll share our biggest and best game-changing tax strategy yet. This one's all about wiping out future capital gains tax CGT on your property investments so you can keep all the profits for yourself. Most property investors know how to build a portfolio, but not many have a clear idea of their exit strategy. That's where we come in. Transitioning from accumulating properties and debt to a low debt situation with a comfy retirement is something every investor should plan for. It's figuring out how to exit that's tricky and can be costly. If you've got significant debt tied up in your properties, it's hard to live the retirement lifestyle you've dreamed of. For property investors, the biggest tax hit will be CGT when you sell. Those taxable gains add to your income, and the CGT bill can be a real shocker. It might sound obvious, but we can't stress how crucial it is to plan ahead to cut down your tax liability. We ran the numbers for a client with 4 properties, and if he sold one a year after retiring with no other income, his tax bill would hit over $1.5 million. That's a huge chunk out of his retirement fund after working so hard to build it up. So let's talk about how to cleverly minimise future capital gains tax with a straightforward approach. Basically, you shift the ownership or control of your assets from your personal name to special low-tax structures. Ethical IQ has crafted some smart low-tax investment trusts that help restructure your portfolio so you don't have to worry about future CGT. Game-changing strategy number 12 is all about keeping your profits tax-free. Think of it as setting up a pipeline of tax-free money for your future. If you can hang on to all your future property profits without paying CGT when you sell, you won't need to work as hard to build your property portfolio, borrow heaps of money, or take on too much risk. We're all about helping you reach your goals with the least debt and risk possible. Find out more by talking to us at Ethical IQ Advisory, Australia's #1 tax advisory for property investors. You can book a complimentary strategy onboarding session by selecting Game-Changing Tax Strategy number 12, How to Eliminate Future Capital Gains Tax.